Hi guys, I'm Erin Brenhouse from the Wildflowers creative team, here to show you our quick tip video of the week. And this week I'm showing you a dark floral abstract design. It's super easy, I'm sure you guys can all do it. Let's get started. Let's jump right in with a black matte nail. I'm using the Wildflowers Void Polish and the matte top coat. Then I just grab the white art paint, which is an acrylic based paint that we're going to water down using the indigo brush and some water. I'm just literally putting a blob of water right into my art paint and I'm diluting it just to create like a milkier shade of white. To create our flowers, all I'm doing is creating these circular blobs. They don't need to be perfect. And I'm just gonna put them all over the nail. Some could be smaller, some could be bigger, some could be hanging off the side of the nail. You could fill it up whichever way you want. You don't have to do a full coverage nail. I decided to go full coverage. This is the trick now. Grab a little piece of paper towel and you're gonna soak up that extra liquid that's pooling in the middle of each flower. Because you're using a watered down acrylic paint, it's quite a wet surface that you've made for these flowers. So you're gonna take that extra off. Now I'm going back in with my indigo brush and adding a little bit of that same paint mixture to the flowers that I've already created. But just a little bit on each flower. No rhyme or reason of where I'm placing it. Go back in with your paper towel. Take out all that extra moisture. It's gonna leave such a cool design because there'll be like rings that are drying quicker than other areas where you've soaked up the extra liquid, and it's going to create a beautiful floral pattern. Now grab your glass gels. These transparent gel polishes are perfect, but you want to take a dry brush. As you can see, I took the excess off my brush. And then I'm just going to paint these in. Sometimes I even leave a little bit of white on the side of my flowers. It doesn't matter. That actually gives a little bit more depth and dimension. So I went in with some blue. Sorry, I'm out of frame. Now I went in with some yellow. I like to add the really bright glass gel colors because it gives this design a real pop of color. Be careful with your pinks. You don't want your pink glass gel to kind of go over the side of the flower to cover the black areas because it'll make a muddy brown kind of color. So just make sure to be careful with your pinks. And then once you're done coloring in your design, you're going to be able to cure these glass gels in your LED lamp for 30 seconds or in a UV light for 60 seconds. I just added a little bit of the berry glass gel there at the end. Grab your top coat gel, put a nice generous layer. What I like to do, especially on a nice long nail like this, is to let it self-level for a few seconds before popping it in the light. As you can see, the line of light really gets beautiful. And that's the end of the design, guys. This is the finished look. Thanks for tuning in. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye.